viewers, today we've brought an amazing video to show you how to remove grease and oil stains from your clothes. This video consists of two sections, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon so that you can get notified every time we upload a new video. The first section is how to remove dried oil or grease stains from clothes. First of all, put the stained cloth in a tub. Then fill the tub with some hot water and soak the grease or oil stained garment in it for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, spread some aloe vera gel on the stain and let it sit for another 10 to 15 minutes. You can use both freshly extracted or store-bought aloe vera gel. Then take some lukewarm water in a tub and make sure it's not too hot. Now take the stained part of your garment and gently wash it with your hands using a good quality dishwash liquid. Finally, wash the cloth in the tub and dry it outside after wringing it. Now let's come to the second part where we show you how to remove wet oil or grease stains from clothes. If the stain is still wet, skip the hot water step and directly apply aloe vera gel on the cloth and wash it with some good quality dishwash liquid. So that's it for this video. We hope that it helped. We have previously done a video on how to remove oil-based stains. Make sure to check it out by clicking on the link given on the top right of your screen. Take care and goodbye!